Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today we are going to make an Arabic sweet dish called Luqaimat. So this is the box that contains everything inside. So the sweet dumpling. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so you have the yeast and the mix, the flour mix. Okay, so following the instructions on the box, it says 480 ml of water, that's the yeast. Give it a mix. Now we're going to start mixing the batter. Okay, so after mixing it well, we're now going to cover it with a cling film. Oh no, sorry, not with a cling film. This needs to be, as per the instructions, a wet cloth, and rest it for 45 minutes. Okay, so that's the damp cloth, and sorry cling film, we're not clinging on today. Okay, so it says to leave it in a warm place, so I put it on the windowsill, where it's warm and sunshine. Okay, so the extra ingredients that are needed, which I thought was in the box but it isn't, is sugar. So for that mix you need 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, and an essence of vanilla. Here we have it in the liquid form. So that's that's the sugar. The sugar it doesn't come in the box. So we're gonna boil the sugar in the water and add some lemon juice to it. Okay, so that's the sugar syrup. We're just going to add some lemon, a little bit of lemon, so that it doesn't caramelize. And that's your oil getting hot. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes or a bit over. Okay, I tried to do it with a spoon, but it's very sticky, so I put it into a plastic cone and I'm going to squeeze out a little bit at a time. I don't think they'll come around, but okay, so the first attempt failed. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so these are done. They go straight into the syrup. Okay, so that's the second batch. These are, as you can see, bigger in size. We put them by hand. Okay, so let's put this into a bowl. Okay, and these are sesame seeds. So we're going to um, sprinkle some of these. Hold on, I need to get some in my hand somehow. I think that's enough, and it's looking really good, mashallah. Shall I try one? Is it? It's not too hot, so I try one. Bismillah. Delicious, sweet. So this was your Arabic sweet dessert. Hope you enjoyed it. I have eating it. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so this is the other lot that we put by hand. So these are bigger in size. The same thing but different shape, different size.